Hello there. Welcome back to my channel. Super effortless, lazy girl hair hacks. One. Towel. Dry your hair with t-shirt. Instead of drying your hair with a towel, swap it for a t-shirt instead. T-shirt will absorb excess water but prevent your hair from frizzing. 2. Thicker hair illusion. Fill in your hairline with some eyeshadow powder closer to your hair color. This method will help your hair to look thicker and fuller. 3. Use perfume to keep your hair smelling good without washing it. Spray your favorite perfume on your hairbrush and comb it through. This is a cheaper alternative to a DIY hairspray. 4. Healthier hair is on what you eat. Eat a balanced diet including fruits and vegetables. These contain tons of nutrients and enzymes that work drastically to keep your hair long and healthy. 5. Lazy heatless curls. Braid damp hair into 2 pigtails for a more natural look. Use your fingers to gently pull the braids apart, loosening them slightly. Please subscribe Darla for future makeup tips and advice. 2 minutes life-changing makeup tips and advice. Darla.